Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vicky and thank you very much for clicking onto this video. If you are new, please subscribe, like and share this video, and if you are not new to my channel, welcome back. And today I'm going to take you through upcoming releases of the Air Jordan 13. As you all know, Air Jordan 13 is my favorite Air Jordan model out of the 34 models, though I've had rumors of Air Jordan 35 which is going to release later in the year. And with no further ado, let's get into the first shoe. Here we have the Air Jordan 13 Hyper Royals. It's a very beautiful shoe which comes dressed in a black, white and Hyper Royal combination. And the shoe quite resembles this shoe. As you can see, it's the Q-Rich Air Jordan 13 Magic. It's called the Magic Player Exclusive. They quite resemble each other. As you can see, the black and the Hyper Royal combination, which is close to the Hyper Royal release of the Air Jordan 13. And continuing, it utilizes black leather and 3M reflective mesh, while Hyper Royal runs across the lower panels and the heel. As you can see, the heel. And also it has a 3M reflective upper, while black and white is placed on the rubber outsole. As you can see, the 3M, when the shoe is taking pictures at night, the 3M reflective pattern shows up. And the shoe releases on December 19, 2020. Here we have our next Air Jordan 13 Lucky Green, which is going also to release later in the year. It comes in a white, black and lucky green color combination, but official images of this shoe are going to release, because I don't think this is the official images. And this shoe quite resemble this shoe, the Ray Allen PE, which released back in the year 2011. It's a beautiful shoe. And also the lucky green is also a beautiful shoe. As you can see, the lucky green colorway, as you can see, it lies in the Jumpman, on the tongue, on the back heel part of the shoe. Man, just vibes. The outsole traction pattern has white lucky green color and a black outline on the outsole, as you can see. And this shoe itself is going to release on September 26, 2020. So, but the dates may push back or push forward according to Jordan's calendar dates. It may be pushed forward or backwards, we never know. But it's set to release on September 26, 2020. As you can see, a white 3M reflective pattern shows up when you take pictures of it at night. Man, vibes. On to our next shoe, we have our red Flints Air Jordan 13. It comes in a gym red, flint gray, white and a black color combination. And also this shoe, the official images are yet to release, because this is just a mock-up picture. They've used the color codes that have been released by Jordan to maybe interpret how it will look like. But it is expected to feature red reflective on the base, white leather across the toe box, while flint gray suede covers the lower part of the panels and the heel. And it's set to release spring 2021. That is March to May next year. That's when it's set to release. And on to our next shoe. This is my favorite of them all. It is the Air Jordan 13 Starfish. Man, this shoe is vibes. As you can see, the orange, the black, the white. Man, what the my bad. It comes in a white, black and starfish color combination. It features an shattered backboard color theme, while white takes over the upper and orange lands on the lower part of the panels, heel and Jumpman on the tongue. And completing the look is black on the pods. Man, as you can see, this shoe is fire, and it releases in January 2nd, 2021. That's the Air Jordan 13 Starfish. Yes, my people. And on to our next shoe, we have our Air Jordan 13 Dark Powder Blue. This is another beautiful Air Jordan 13 that is going to release later in the year or even next year. It features a white obsidian and dark powder blue combination, and also this shoe official images are yet to leak, and it's set to release in the year 2021 summertime, that is between June to August. However, the shoe is expected to feature white leather on the base, while obsidian is applied to the overlays, and in addition we have powder blue accent on the branding and outlining the outsole, as you can see. And on to our final shoe. This is not technically Air Jordan 13, but it is a combination of Air Jordan 13 upper with a full length Vapor Max outsole. And as you can see, the dimpled leather underlay, which also appears on the women's Air Jordan OG from 1998. This is the Air Jordan women's, which debuted in the year 1998. As you can see, the dimpled leather overlays on the lateral part of the shoe has inspired the Air Jordan women's Rain. And this shoe, it is a women's release. It is built at ankle height. The cushioning underfoot delivers the latest Vapor Max comfort to the Air Jordan 13 inspired design. Man, I have only seen two leaked colorways of the Air Jordan Women's Rain. This like a Volt green colorway and this other colorway. And the shoe is actually set to release fall winter 2020, that is between December 2020 and February 2021. Yeah, my people, and that's it. That is the full list of the upcoming Air Jordan 13s, and a special thanks to sneakerfiles.com. That is where I got all this information. Just go check out their website. It's sneakerfiles.com, and I'll link it in the box description, and go and check it out. And that's it, my guys. Thank you for watching this video. You're very much appreciated. Have a good day. Peace.